Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Funko Pop for you guys. It is Sam from Trick or Treat. I found him on Amazon and he was $32.99 with free shipping. Hot Topic, it would have been a lot more because of the shipping and the duty and the custom and stuff. So that's why I don't really like ordering off American websites. The duty and the custom, it's like, wow! By the time it gets to you, it costs you like $100 and you're like, what the fuck? I thought it was like $12.99. Like, what the hell happened? I was happy to get Sam on Amazon for a really good price. He is an exclusive, so that's why he's a lot more money than a lot of other Funko Pops. And I'm just a nerd, and I just really needed him, so I'm excited that I got him. So he did come in an Amazon box, but then he came in another box, so this is the other box. It says funkopopunboxing, and then has a big Funko there. I did open it because I just couldn't wait to see him. I've waited enough time for him. I'm gonna open him and show you guys him. I didn't even open this that way. I was trying to open it this way. There he is in there. I'm so excited. I can't wait to put him on my shelf. He is so adorable. You guys will get a better look of him because I'm gonna open him. The front of him and on the back, it just has like this little like a quote from the movie, I'm assuming. Sam on the side. There is the Hot Topic sticker saying that he is an exclusive. He's even better looking in person. I'm such a weirdo. Oh, he's so cute. Like, you guys, look at him. Why can't human babies come out looking like this? You know, that'd be like really cool. Yeah, that is Sam. That is the unboxing of him. I'm so excited to have him in my Funko Pop collection. So if you guys did not know, I do collect Funko Pops, so I'm just really nerdy like that, and I get just really excited about this types of stuff. So really excited that I was able to get Sam, because especially unmasked, he's very hard to find. Anyways, guys, that is the Sam Funko Pop unboxing video. Anyways, I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.